Alright, today's the day. I have decided to start my Etsy account and start creating stickers. Hopefully, this will be able to pay my bills. Alright guys, so I decided to really just get a quick sketch in before I go ahead and start working on the actual stickers. Now coming up with the sticker idea, I did have a lot of ideas, but I narrowed it down to one, which you guys will be able to see at the end of the video. And I hope you guys like this sketching too. I want to work on some more stickers for Etsy. Now, if you guys haven't watched Chainsaw Man, it's really a great anime. Now, I love watching anime, and I think that this one is really good. You should just go ahead and watch it. Don't even think about it after this video. Yeah, so I want to continue making more anime stickers. So if you guys have any more ideas, leave it in the comments, and I'll go ahead and make them before I start working on some original designs for Etsy, because I know Etsy can eventually get you copyrighted or something like that. So I'm gonna stick to anime stickers just to start off, just for the fun of it, and then go ahead and start working on original designs. Now, if you guys want to support, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Now, I was really messing with the sketch at the final design. I just wanted to work on a couple different versions that were shown in the anime, the younger, the present, and the transformation. And it turned out, to my knowledge, decent. And I do want to continue working on this maybe later as a digital version. But for now, it's time to get started with this sticker design. Let's go. So there was so much that I could have added on. The ideas just kept going and coming as I went on. But I decided to come to a closure with this design just because I wanted to go ahead and get it up on Etsy. Now, it's really good to be able to say I am starting. Now, the hard part is saying I can continue, so hopefully I can release designs every 2 to 3 weeks and shorten that period of time as time goes by. Now, if you guys want to support, click the link in the bio, go ahead and shop and buy 1 or 2. It should be not too much, maybe $2 or $3, and leave a comment. Maybe there's other designs you want to see. Now, this page is based around my own comics too, so if you want to go check out how I make my stories and my storyboarding processes, or just the ideas I develop, subscribe and continue watching. I also do sketching, I practice my art, and I continue to try to improve, and so hopefully my stickers can improve too as time goes by. Now, this wasn't a tutorial of how I made my stickers. It was a pain in the butt to learn this again because I did this previously. But it's always good to, write maybe some notes or something, because after a little while you forget. But I don't think people will forget as easily if they do it often, so hopefully it becomes a muscle memory for me making these stickers. Now, I did use a canyon and a silhouette portrait for the cutting, the Canon for the printer. Nothing crazy. I did have a laminating paper, that one that was holographic and one that was regular waterproof, so and so, that was able to allow me to get this final piece. Now, if you want to see any more, you know where to find me. Let's do this.